Hello, my name is Sam Eisman and I'm a part of Team SEC, and our project is a smart vehicle environment, creating safer driving environments. So the problem we decided on is driving fatigue, which is something that at some point or another everyone has experienced, whether that be driving into work early or you're on a tight schedule, you don't have time to stop, and so you're just tired in general. And we notice it's not really feasible to ask people to just not drive when they're tired. So our solution would be an app within a car system that in real time detects driver drowsiness and intelligently responds by adjusting the environment. And the environment could include the temperature, the lighting, the vibrations, or the audio, all things that can be changed to make drivers more alert. So how is our system different? There are systems out there that track driver drowsiness and will tell them to stop driving if it's detected they are tired, but again, that's just usually not feasible. Our system would be the first to dynamically change an environment to naturally put the driver in the best position they are to continue driving, making the most alert possible in that situation. So how does our system work? We would use facial analysis AI partnered with smart watches or rings to gather data and determine if a driver is tired. We would then use multimodal LLMs to analyze this driver data. And finally, we would make real-time adjustments and suggestions to put the driver in the best scenario. For example, we could suggest a driver be rerouted to a rest stop if they've been driving for a long period of time and they're visibly tired. So here's the facial AI analysis that we created. It puts a green mesh over our face so we're able to track the user's movement. And here I'll be yawning. And you'll notice after 2 yawns is when that is detected and noted in the system. Here it is again. So I'll be closing my eyes now. And you'll see after 2 seconds of your eyes being closed, it will alarm you to open your eyes, but then also note that in the system. You'll also notice as you close your eyes more and your fatigue level increased from low to medium to high. So here is the dashboard for the website that we created. And it would have your driver fatigue score and your attention level based on the data that is gathered while you drive, and then it could give you your metrics history, and then there could be an AI system that just gives you more suggestions, and then that could show all the different drives you've done with the system. So here's our final demo, which is just of the different environment changes that we would implement better into our actual system. So here we'll have an LED and it's going to flash yellow first, and then you'll see it gradually get more blue. And that just represents changing the lighting in the car from a warm to a more blue, which could promote alertness and helping the driver be more focused on the road. This would simulate an AC, and it's right now it's a lower speed versus a higher speed, which would cool the car down more, which again would cause the driver to be more focused. And then finally, we're going to have sound here. And that just simulates the idea that we have control over the sound and can play sounds that would help a driver be more alert. And that is our presentation.